Hello everyone, my name is Sergio Palacios. I'm working with the OATS group here at Purdue, and I am a PhD candidate with the Computer Science Department. And today I'm going to talk about the fieldwork app that we developed with the OATS group at Purdue. But first of all, I want to get started with the Open Data Alliance, or the OADA framework. And you can find all the source code and documentation in the GitHub repository. And the idea of this is basically, it is an open source project that wants to bring interoperability, security, and privacy preserving computation frameworks on agricultural data to the ag field. So in addition to that, we also have the Open Ag Toolkit that includes many applications. For instance, the Fieldwork app, that is the one that I'm going to explain today, the IsoBlue app, the Rock app, the Trash Tracker, the Manure app, and what have you. And today we're going to see, or I'm going to explain to you, the Fieldwork app, and you can find all the documentation in this GitHub repository, and you can see all the source code and also the documentation, the features that this application has. And we are going to see a live demo of this application. As you can see, this is the URL that you can use in order to analyze, to test this application. And since you are not connected to any OADA compliant server, which you need, then we are going to connect. The application will tell you that you need to connect to a OADA server, to an OADA compliant server. So we have one that is open source, that is available to anyone that wants to try this application. So you submit, and that domain, and basically you connect to our server. And as you can see, you have many fields and that are related to this operation, and you can have many operations in here, and you can analyze these operations with this drawer that you can use in order to see the name of the field, for instance, and the status of that field, and who mark it as a plant, for instance, and how the amount of area that you have, even the percentage that is related to the total of your fields. In addition to that, you can also add new fields, and you can also add, for instance, operations. Just click add, and you will see one drawer in which you can enter the name of this application. You can also add a field. You can enter the field first, the field name and the file name. Then you draw. For instance, we can use this as demo. We can enter bakery here, and after that, for instance, you have to draw on this in order to have that field, the field that you want. You can draw at least 3 points in order to have a field. Then you save it, and you will have another field in your application. So with this is the elementary introduction to the Fieldwork app. Feel free to test it, to try it, and if you have any questions, you can find me as Sergio@palacios.com, and I will glad to help you. Take care.